Hey everyone, welcome back. Do a little work on the Honda HRX217 TDA. When I'm using the mower, the throttle lever here, I'll have it up on fast and it'll vibrate its way down. It's a real easy fix if you're running into that problem. Hold on a second and I'll show you what it is. If you look up inside here, just to the right of the orange, you see a 10mm bolt. That bolt goes all the way through that spring and into the handlebar. Check it and see if it's tight. If it isn't, tighten it up. That'll keep tension on your throttle. Throttle vibrates loose. There's a bolt that runs all the way through there. Just tighten it down. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. And if you're not a subscriber, think about it. In the future, if there's something you want to see me work on, let me know in the comments. Thanks again, guys. Have a good day.